Hey guys, this is Jason with Explore More Adventures. For spring break, we are out in Phoenix, Arizona, and we're heading up to Prescott and then out to Joshua Tree National Park. Check out our latest adventures on YouTube.
Oh yeah!
Tumbleweed!
Make it tumble! It's tumbling! Baby! It's only a week!
Woo!
More adventure viewers, this is Jeffrey the Tumbleweed, and he loves tumbling.
So if you fly into Phoenix and you want to see some saguaro close up out in nature, you can get off at the New River exit, and there's a gas station right as soon as you get off, and they have these awesome saguaro cactuses, and we're just out hiking along this little road here. I'll show you what it look like. Crazy man coming towards me, but then you can go out here and you can get close to some of the cacti, and it's a nice little place to stretch your legs. Watch out for donkey poop, road runners, tarantulas, scorpions, rattlesnakes. There's all kinds of cacti. There's tarantulas.
There's rattlesnake.
The cactuses together. Talking about it, like